Talk to Buzz. I'm looking at your comm sheets and I'm confused about the chibi model price. It's around 900, right? Yep, currently is around 900. Pestle, thank you for the 10 gifted subs. Thank you very, very much. That is a lot. Ah! My brain stopped working again. No, I need it! I need that! Ah! Pestle, I want people to fear my kindness, as it should be feared. I am afraid of it. I fear it. I fear it, that's for sure. Ooh, you ever laughed for 5 minutes straight for no reason? What happened to me earlier today? I have not. No, that sounds like a fun— No! Sorry, I banged my elbow against my desk. One sec.
A few moments later.
Pestle, thank you for the 20 gifted subs. And Pestle, thank you for the 100 Chinese. I don't think you'll fear it enough. Don't worry, I'll fix that. I fear it. Plenty. Plenty. Whew. Remember to breathe? I will try. Fear our generosity. I am afraid of it. Don't worry, I already am. Road to level 9 already? It's already at level 10. It's already at level 10. Dad, thank you for the 100 shinies. And you know, you fear it. You fear a lot of things. We regularly scare you with a toaster ding. And Pestle, I think you broke my model. Ah! There ain't no rest for the wicked. Wow, 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 wow. I forgot how this song goes. Da da ba da wow wow. Pestle. My browser froze for a few seconds. My OBS slowed down when Pestle did that. To my recollection, each time Pestle does something like this, my model lags so hard, and I can't fix it. I don't know why it does that. It shouldn't do that. It doesn't make sense. And yet it keeps happening. No! So fear Pestle. Fear Pestle as much as you possibly can, because you never know when they're coming for you. Pestle can make my model lag. Can you imagine what Pestle could do? Just IRL, if I just ran into them, be like, hey, what's up? Just make me glitch in real life. Jeez. So what I'm here is I said no such thing. Ooh, the IRL lag switch. It did it again. It did it again. See, y'all saw that, right? Y'all saw that, right? It did it again. My model lagged again. There's no explanation. Ah! Pestle's in the Twitch wall.